Hi, I'm James Crowson with Crowson Law Group. I want to take a few moments to talk with you about when it might be appropriate to use your own collision coverage in a car accident, even if you're not at fault. We hear it time and time again. Why should I use my insurance if I wasn't at fault? Well, the liability carrier for the at-fault driver can take a little bit of time to determine whether they're going to pay. They're given under law a reasonable amount of time during which to conduct an investigation into the coverage for their insured and also into whether their insured was at fault. While they're conducting that investigation, you will be without a car, and they will not provide you with a rental car until they make the determination that they are supposed to pay. No insurance adjuster is going to pay anything on a claim that it turns out that they don't owe any money on. So they're going to be very insistent upon a complete investigation before they pay anything. And again, that may last a week or two, and while that investigation is going on, you don't have a vehicle and your car may not be serviceable. If you file on your collision, immediately your collision will step forward and they will pay for your vehicle to be repaired or replaced. And if you have a rider on your insurance, a rental rider, then your insurance company will pay for your rental car while those repairs are being made. Now the difference is your collision coverage will continue, your carrier will continue to pursue the at-fault driver's liability carrier, and when they are able to collect the money that's owed to them after they pay the collision claim, they'll try to get every dollar of their money back from the liability carrier plus your deductible. But in the meantime, you've got your vehicle under repair. In the meantime, if you have a rider on your policy, you're in a rental car, and you don't have to worry about waiting for the liability carrier to finish their liability investigation. If you don't want to wait for the insurance company for the at-fault driver to complete their investigation and you want to go ahead and get started with repairing or replacing your vehicle, it's in your best interest to go ahead and file the claim under your collision coverage for your automobile.